Using Meta AI in WhatsApp can enhance your messaging experience by providing smarter interactions, personalized suggestions, and automated assistance. So while Meta has been rolling out AI-powered features in WhatsApp, many of these are currently tailored for businesses rather than individual users. So if you're interacting with a business account, you might encounter AI-powered chatbots designed to handle customer inquiries, help with product information, or assist in making bookings. So to use Meta AI in these cases, simply start a chat with the business and follow the prompts from the chatbot, which may include automated responses um, or help with completing tasks. All right. Now, for individual users, Meta has been introducing AI tools in WhatsApp gradually. These tools can include features like predictive text, suggestive responses based on conversation, or providing smart replies to messages. All right, so you can access these features as part of a regular updates to WhatsApp. So make sure that the app is up to date and enjoy the latest AI enhancements. Meta is also exploring deeper AI integration, which may include more advanced features like virtual assistants or media recommendations. As WhatsApp evolves with Meta AI, users can expect increased personalizations, provided improved chat integrations, and more effective communication, making it easier to get things done directly from the app. Keep an eye out on updates for new features.